Is now the right time to make a move on Google stock? In this video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at Google. We initially released a report on our website on Thursday, January 25, 2024, and today we're here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by using our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 18, 2023, our system has ranked Google as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.00. Now let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During this time, Google has exceeded our expectations, showing a gain of 11.99% since we first recommended buying it 26 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.46% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the next trading day. Given the latest developments, we are uncertain about the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has recently broken a strong short-term uptrend and is showing signs of an even stronger rate of increase. If there is a pullback, there will be support at the previous trend line, which is now broken at $152.72. This could provide a second opportunity to take advantage of the upward momentum. According to fan theory, the next potential level of resistance is at $164.23, which may not be easily surpassed. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential for a 13.74% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 4.54% to 13.06%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 46.58% change over the next year, with a potential return between 29.23% and 50.75%. This indicates a price range of $198.55 to $231.61 after a year. Our latest update on Google's stock price reveals that it ended at $153.64 on Thursday, reflecting a gain of 2.19%. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, January 25, 2024, Google's stock price increased from $150.35 to $153.64, marking a 2.19% gain. It's worth noting that this marks the third consecutive day of gains. It'll be fascinating to see if this positive momentum continues or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $151.22 and a high of $154.76, representing a 2.34% fluctuation. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 6.84% and has seen gains in 6 of the last 10 days. Additionally, the volume of shares traded on the last day increased along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, approximately 2 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, amounting to a total of 21 million shares bought and sold, with a total value of around $3.28 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded was $154.76, while the lowest price was $88.86. Currently, the price is 0.72% or $1.12 below the 52-week high, and a significant 93.92% or $2,373.35 below the all-time high, which was reached on June 11, 2021, with a price of $2,526.99. Today, let's talk about analyst ratings for Google, the stock of Google. On Thursday, January 25, 2024, Wedbush gave Google a sell grade with an upgrade action. Moving on to Wednesday, October 25, 2023, Needham gave Google a buy grade with a hold action. Another rating came in on Wednesday, July 26, 2023, when Susquehanna gave Google a positive grade with a hold action. In the same day, July 26, 2023, KeyBank gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. Lastly, on Wednesday, May 24, 2023, JMP Securities gave Google a market outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have unanimously given Google stock a strong buy rating. They have rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy as well. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have again given the stock a strong buy rating. Let's take a look at the signals for Google's stock. The moving averages indicate positive buy signals for both the short and long-term forecasts of the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there is support from the lines at $148.03 and $140.70. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. On Monday, December 4, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 17.61% increase so far. This suggests a further rise until a new top pivot is identified. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. The volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, this is a buy signal. Pivots, this is a buy signal that occurred 36 days ago. Bollinger, this is a buy signal that occurred 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, this is a sell signal that occurred 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, this is a sell signal that occurred 29 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, this is a buy signal that occurred 48 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the following signals. Short moving average, this is a sell signal that occurred 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, this is a buy signal that occurred 27 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, this is a buy signal that occurred 214 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Google's stock. On the downside, Google's stock has some support levels to watch out for. Just below today's level, there is accumulated volume support at $138.45 and $133.84. When a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $138.45 is broken, the next support levels are at $133.84 and $133.64. Google's stock is typically traded at a good volume, and it experiences minor daily changes, making the risk considered to be low. In the last day, the stock moved $3.54, 2.34%, between its high and low points. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 1.56%. Before we get into discussing potential trading levels for Google, it's important to review some key fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Google has a relatively normal PE ratio, which is often seen in companies with established track records or consistent revenue streams. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Google's Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings are at $1.60. It's important to keep a close watch on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be analyzing potential day trading levels for Google. When it comes to resistance levels, there's no significant volume accumulation above, indicating the stock could make a swift upward movement. This presents an opportunity to enter a position and use volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, Google faces its first support level at $138.45. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the possibility of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Google has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On January 17, 2024, Pichai Sundar sold 3,488 shares of Class C capital stock. On January 17, 2024, Pichai Sundar sold 15,323 shares of Class C capital stock. On January 17, 2024, Pichai Sundar sold 3,689 shares of Class C capital stock. On March 14, 2023, John L. Hennessy bought 3,580 shares of Class C capital stock. On March 14, 2023, John L. Hennessy bought 3,580 shares of Class C capital stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the calculated insider power ratio is -27.920, indicating a negative trend. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 431,100 shares and sold 767,455 shares. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $148.66, reflecting a decrease of 3.24%. The daily movements of this stock are relatively low, making it a low-risk investment. However, it is important to note that the RSI 14 is currently at 88, which significantly increases the risk involved. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 35 days ago, adding to the potential value of this stock. Is Google stock a good buy? While Google holds several positive signals, we do not believe it is currently a strong buy candidate. Instead, we recommend considering it as a hold candidate or accumulating more shares as we await further developments. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements in the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, January 26, we anticipate Google to open with a decrease of $0.433 and start trading at $153.21. Before we dive into today's topic, it's crucial to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest, where we provide you with the latest insights on stocks. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at the current view of a particular stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know what your target for this stock is. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our future content. Our team here at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and hopes you have a wonderful day.